In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your LinkedIn profile URL on the mobile app. If you've ever needed to share your LinkedIn link for a job application, networking, or a portfolio, this is the fastest way to find it and even customize it right from your phone. First, open the LinkedIn mobile app. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your profile. On the home screen, tap your profile icon, then tap it once more to go straight to your full profile page. This brings up your profile with your photo, headline, and the sections below it. On your profile, look toward the upper area near where you usually see the option to add sections. Tap the three dots there. This opens a menu with more options. From that menu, choose Contact Info. This is where LinkedIn stores the key details tied to your account. Here you'll see your profile URL. That's the link you can share with others so they can view your profile. If you want to customize that link to make it cleaner and easier to remember, you can do that right here on mobile. Tap the Edit option at the top right. This may appear as an icon that indicates editing or settings. Then tap your profile URL again, and LinkedIn will take you to your public profile settings. This page controls how your profile appears publicly and includes the custom URL section. Next, look for the pencil icon next to your current profile URL and tap it. You'll be able to type a new custom URL. Keep it simple and professional. Using your name or a clean variation of it is usually best. Avoid special characters and keep it easy to spell. A clear custom URL helps people find you more easily and looks more polished on resumes, portfolios, and business cards. Once you've typed the URL you want, tap Save. LinkedIn will confirm the change and apply your new link. If the URL you chose is already taken, just make a small tweak, like adding a middle initial or a short keyword related to your name, and try saving again. When it's saved, your custom profile URL will appear in your contact info, ready to share anytime. That's it. You found your LinkedIn profile URL on the mobile app, and you know how to customize it for a more professional look. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.